trying to turn rhymes into reasons. I learned that no matter how I captured the seasons, they still turned. Now when the stormy winter stifles my laughter, I know the warmth of spring will hurry in after the snow. She said this lonely life is a dangerous endeavor, never knowing when the road's gonna end. But I'll be waiting just around the bend, my friend. Now another year has passed and I'm older again, and the winters seem much longer and colder than then. Although so many years have slipped through my fingers, I find her picture and her poetry linger somewhere in my mind. I hear her say this lonely life, bring it pain or bring it pleasure, you should treasure every moment you spend. And I'll be waiting just around the bend, my friend. She said I never made a promise that I didn't plan to keep, and I don't believe in faith, I think the price is way too steep. I can't be the one that's gonna make your life complete. I'll never knock you down, but I won't help you to your feet, 'cause it's a lonely life when there's shadows in your hallways. I can't always hold the hand you extend, but I'll be waiting just around the bend, my friend.
Dancing shadows as we reunite. Oh my bee, don't fly away, stay with me another day. use.